Unraveling the charm of Streamlet, dive into English vocabulary. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to explore a picturesque word that paints a serene image in our minds, streamlet. Whether you're a seasoned English speaker or embarking on your language learning journey, understanding such descriptive terms can add depth to your vocabulary. So, let's dive in and flow with the current of knowledge together. A streamlet is a small stream. Imagine a tiny flow of water, smaller than a river, gently babbling through a forest or meadow. It's not just about its size. A streamlet conveys a sense of tranquility and simplicity. It's nature's modest artwork, often overlooked yet beautifully significant in its existence. Understanding where a word comes from can often help us remember its meaning. Streamlet is a diminutive form, which means it's a smaller version of something else. In this case, it's a smaller version of a stream. The suffix let is often added to nouns in English to indicate a small kind of something. For example, booklet, a small book, or droplet, a small drop. Now let's see how to use streamlet in sentences. This will not only help you grasp its meaning but also show you how to incorporate it into your everyday conversation or writing. The hikers followed the streamlet to find their way back to the campsite. Children played by the streamlet, catching tadpoles in their little nets. A gentle streamlet wound its way through the meadow, glistening in the sunlight. To expand your vocabulary further, let's look at some synonyms and related words. Brook, a small stream. Creek, a small stream, often freshwater, flowing towards a river, a lake, or another body of water. Rivulet, a very small river, a streamlet. Remember, while these words are similar, they may have different connotations or typical uses based on regional preferences. Thank you for joining me on this tranquil journey through the English language, exploring the word streamlet. I hope this has not only taught you a new term but also encouraged you to observe and appreciate the smaller wonders of nature and language. Keep flowing smoothly on your path to English mastery. And until next time, happy learning.